Hi everyone, it's Shannon and welcome to my channel, The Daily DIYer. Today I am sharing with you my Dollar Tree secrets and I'm going to take you inside Dollar Tree with me, so let's head on inside and do some shopping. So what better way to share my secrets than from within Dollar Tree? And the first thing I want to mention is that I always go up and down every single aisle in Dollar Tree because you never know what new items that they're going to be adding every single time you shop there. So I never leave an aisle unturned. And also, one of the biggest things that I buy from Dollar Tree are these craft paper rolls, and I use them to put down while I'm crafting. But lately, I started using these wrapping paper rolls. They are very colorful and bright, and this just made my crafting a little bit more fun. So you can see here, this is an example of one of my videos that I used lately with a purple background, and all that is just Dollar Tree wrapping paper. And in the party supply section, I always have these plastic spoons on hand. They're great for stirring things, applying things to your crafts, and even using the handles to cut clay sometimes if you need it, and then you can just toss them away when you're finished. And then another thing is to always check the Dollar Tree craft section, which is very impressive lately, for adhesives and paints and crafting tools before you hit the craft store or even the department stores, because you'll definitely get a better price here than there. These craft clamps are perfect for clamping things together while your glue is setting on your projects. And I always have these craft tags on hand too, so you can label craft supplies or pantry items or even things in your kiddo's bedroom. So besides the craft aisle, this is my favorite aisle. All of the tools, gloves. These are the best. These I stock up on. These are the best. These are my new favorite hooks. They're clear and they stick really well. Tons of super glue, all of the super glue. Yep, I always stock up on all of my super glue here at Dollar Tree. You can't beat the prices, and great quality items too. I also love their hook and loop things and their electrical tape. These are all things I keep in my craft stash, even though they are more closer to the automotive section. And then also they have some great canvas totes and t-shirts that you can use in different ways. So instead of using them as a t-shirt, look at them more like fabric that you can use in your craft projects. Their scarves and bandanas also make a great fabric for projects, so keep that in mind. Along with their socks, I love to use those for applying wood stain to my wood projects. You just slide it on your hand and you can apply your wood stain and they don't slip around. Super duper nice and a nice little trick. We also use pretty much 90% Dollar Tree cleaning supplies in our house. They have name brand products, and also they come in smaller sizes, which I like because then they don't take up a lot of room in our cabinets. We don't have a lot of storage or cabinet space, so I always grab these when I'm at Dollar Tree and running low. Now I know Dollar Tree has had these glasses for a long time, but I personally just recently started utilizing them as my eyesight has gotten worse as time goes on, and these have come in so handy when times I just am on my phone for a long time or on my computer for a long time and they don't break the bank. I actually purchase several of them and put them all over the house, so if they break or they get lost, definitely not an expensive replacement. So I definitely love those now. Also, in their kitchen section, I love these little baskets. I use them all over the house for storage and organization. And then in their cleaning section, this is my new favorite thing at Dollar Tree, are these poles that you can attach different cleaning items onto the end. But recently, I actually made a plant stand out of these. So definitely look at these in a different way than they're meant for. I'll link this video down in the description box below. We created a shelf and plant stand out of these and some wood. So check that out after this video. I'll link it at the end. Also, in their organization basket area, I always grab some of these wash basins. They're great for painting things in and containing messes if you're going to be sanding or spray painting. And I know these plungers, they are funny to purchase so many of when you go to the store. I'm sure the clerks look at you like, why do you need so many plungers? But the wood handles are great for projects, along with these wooden bamboo skewers. I love these. These are longer, and I even created a faux antique mirror or window with one of these. I'll link that video down below too. Always grab some gloves from Dollar Tree. They're a great price and great for crafting with. And these are great for building with and keeping your hands protected. Also, these Clorox wipes, I don't have a sink in my she shed, so I keep Clorox wipes handy to wipe my hands with. I'm always impressed by Dollar Tree's glassware. These are gorgeous little containers, perfect for giving gifts in, storing things in, or using in your bathroom. And even their glassware, I use these personally in our kitchen. They have these beautiful cut glass drinking glasses. They're heavy and beautiful. And yes, we have those in our kitchen and use them every day. Another great tip is to bring your silly hubby with you to Dollar Tree. He'll get some really great shots like these and even come up with some really creative hacks. So I think the very best part about Dollar Tree is that you can very quickly and easily load up a cart full of all kinds of great finds and goodies. But you're also getting a really great deal. So there isn't that huge guilt factor in filling up a cart because you are getting such great bargains, and your bill is definitely not going to be that as if you were to go to a department store or a craft store. But I would love to know, let me know down in the comments below, what is the biggest Dollar Tree bill you have racked up? I'm pretty sure mine was like $120. That was a huge trip. I had a very big cart full. This day was not quite so much. I had so much fun and skipped my way right out of Dollar Tree. And I would say my very favorite item at Dollar Tree is their glassware. You can do so many different things with them, and they have some really beautiful things, some really practical things, and so that's probably my favorite. But let me know down in the comments below, what is your favorite thing at Dollar Tree to shop for? I'd also love to have you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe so you can stick around for some of the projects that I have coming up using these Dollar Tree items. And I want to thank you all so much for joining me today. I will see you in the next video. Happy crafting!